Hello everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and let me welcome you to another video that will help you take control of your financial destiny. We cover personal finance and apps that involve money on this channel, and we're going to be talking about the Venmo app. Specifically, how can you buy crypto using the Venmo app? So you want to start off by opening the Venmo app up. And in this example, I'll be buying $5 worth of Bitcoin. At the bottom of the screen, you're going to see where it says crypto. Click on it. You'll then be taken to the crypto portion of the Venmo app. Once you're here, you'll be able to see all of the different cryptocurrencies that Venmo currently supports in terms of buying at this time. For example, you see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. Keep in mind that this isn't a definitive list of cryptos that they're gonna always be offering. This list can grow, so it couldn't hurt to check back if the cryptocurrency that you're interested in is not here at this time. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Bitcoin, and I'm going to click the buy button. If this is the first time you're buying crypto using Venmo, you'll need to confirm some details first. First, you'll need to agree to the Venmo terms of service in regards to cryptocurrency. This is something I'll let you review on your own time. I've already done so I'm going to click on agree and continue. And I received confirmation that I've been verified. Click on got it. Then it's asking me exactly how much Bitcoin I want to buy. Like I said, I'm going to be doing $5 worth for this example. Click on review. And you'll be shown the details as well as the transaction fee that you'll need to pay. Once here, you need to click on choose a payment method. I'm going to be using my Venmo balance, but you can use the other methods that you have linked to your Venmo account. And if you want to get an alert when Bitcoin goes up or down by 5% within a day, you can check off that mark on the screen. I'm gonna click on buy Bitcoin, and boom, I now have $5 worth of Bitcoin on the Venmo app. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and like the video if you found value in it. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.